Good evening, guys. Cesar 16 once again with a new pre-analysis for London and New York. The first thing that I want to mention is that I didn't execute any opportunities today. As I said yesterday, I wanted to get involved from buys that may look like that or maybe from down here. And I also mentioned that most likely I was going to try to avoid executing a buy like that because in general, I'm expecting the price to mitigate the 50% right there of the whole bullish move for the price has been following for the past weeks. So at the end, the price never manipulated this, never, he never wanted to apparently and just went up. Who knows? Maybe because of what's going on with the war and everything. Who knows? But it's cool. That's something else for the future if the price decides to go back down. Okay, so as you guys can see, the price is very bullish at this moment. Okay, but that doesn't mean that I'm not gonna be looking for sales. I'm gonna be looking for sales in general because it's a great location to get involved on sales in general. Okay, so what I'm gonna be looking for tomorrow. Okay, first of all, we may see the price going back down from there, from where it is right now. That's something that is completely possible. It's also possible that maybe the price is gonna go up a little more to then reverse back down after manipulating the high and after mitigating the fractal or range right there. Those orders, okay? It's also possible the price maybe is gonna keep going up like crazy to manipulate the high and mitigate something up here to then create an opportunity after the price slows down. If it does, it's also possible since we are bullish, you know, the price may, it may just keep going up. You know what I mean? That's why I always say I react to the market. I just don't execute my opportunities. Okay. So about buys, there's nothing I can tell about buys, at least for the moment. After the price manipulate the high right there, I may look for buys from around there, possible buys. It's a really bad location to execute buys, but it would follow my rules. So if that setup is foreign during my section, I may take the buy depending what the current price delivery is showing me. Of course, I react to the market. So as I said, we may see continuations like that, or maybe after a price manipulate that high right there, or maybe this one right there. Who knows? It's too early right now. We don't have, and I don't have enough information to provide you something very accurate. But as if you guys has been paying attention, you will notice that I always take the same entry over and over again. My entries, my opportunities depends on the location and what's the current price and what's the current price action. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is you know this is it pretty much. The price right now is going up like crazy. So I mean that's all I can say. Sells from there or from there, but it's too early. That's the only thing. It's too early right now. So yeah, once again, sells up there or even higher, and buys there or down here, depending what the price does up here. Okay, so yeah, let's see what it does. Sorry if I don't have like the drawings that I normally have, but you know, it's just too early. The price is just going up right now. I can really tell. I know what I'm gonna be looking for, but that's gonna depend on whatever a price is showing me after London. So yeah, guys, this is it. Have a good night and thank you for being here. Let's see how tomorrow goes. But let me put this at least, Probably we may see something like that to the downside, okay? Or the price is gonna go up a little higher to manipulate the high right there to then start showing direction to the downside, okay? Right. So, and pretty much as I have it here, buys down here, depending on the price does. Once again, I'm gonna try to avoid taking a buy right there, but it's possible, 100%. It would be badly. So yeah, guys, once again, good luck tomorrow.